how to request payout in Funding Pips. Here's what you want to do. Sign into your Funding Pips account, and from the left hand side you want to click on the rewards tab right here. It's going to show you all of your available rewards. If you're ready to request your reward, you will just click on this button here. Once you have done this, you need to read these notes. It's only going to be for the Tuesday payouts. Can be requested every Tuesday between 9 to 19 Dubai time. You can read through this information. Please wait for 15 minutes before you close your latest trade to request a reward. And after you have done this, you will need to select your account here. If you have available accounts which are balanced, you want to select the account itself. Then you will just have to choose your payment methods such as card, bank account. You also have other payment methods, and if you want to request a payout for affiliate here, you will choose your payment method and you will need to provide your crypto wallet in this case, and you will just click on submit request. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.